everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming our process of building our little garden in our backyard, and if you're interested to see how we're gonna do it, just go ahead and keep on watching. Basically, when we purchased this house, we were able to get 2 plant boxes in our terrace, and I haven't really used it until this season just because I really didn't know what to plant. And I don't know, since now we have more time at home because of the whole coronavirus situation, we decided that maybe we should plant more stuff in our garden. We're basically building a space or like a plateau in our uphill in the back, and we'll see how it goes. I decided to plant 3 potatoes in the beginning, and it has been successful so far. So far, so good, I think. And I'm gonna show you how they look like. It's so nice. So they have basically grown. I've planted this, I think, around a month ago, and I planted only 3. That's the reason why you see them super fluffy in that like order. And when I started to see that they've been successful, I decided to plant 1 more in each like in the middle section. And then I also have another plant box that is, I've planted potatoes as well. I planted 5 in this. I'm not so sure how the progress is. This one is amandine potatoes, a little bit more flawless on the skin, and these are fresh potatoes. You can actually see now a few leaves growing here and then here. So we've purchased a lot of stuff to be able to help us build our own garden, and we've gotten 10 seeds to plant. It's just random mix of vegetables, salads, root crops, and flowers, and I'm gonna be showing you what I got and also some stuff that we got to support our planting project. I got this from a store called Plantagen. So that store is basically about just everything that is gardening, or if you're doing planting trees or whatever. Basically, it's a garden store. The first one is sunflower. I've actually opened this because I've planted already 8 seeds outside. Another one is soya beans. We love edamame in this house. We've gotten chives actually. And this one is Thai basilica. Also have radish, winter carrots, and oregano. How do you say that? But yeah, we have this. The parsley we have, our last seed that we got. This is sugar corn. Aside from the seeds, we also got these labeling sticks. We also got a bird net, or it's this. So we have a lot of like random animals in our area. We live quite close to the forest, so we have hares, like they're like another version of a rabbit, and we also have deers here that they just come and go and eat your plants. So, and also birds, of course. So usually you put a net all over your plant boxes just to make sure nothing can get in it. Last but not least, we also got this. It's a soil fertilizer. It's ecological. So basically it has no preservatives that are bad. It's basically based on vegetables, and it says algae or something like that. Yeah, so this is very good for your plant. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take you outside to show you what we have started doing so far. I also mentioned that I planted sunflowers, and this is this side here. I made a little bit of a corner. I just planted them directly onto the soil. We excavated a little bit of the old grass soil there, and we put flower soil. And here is our backyard basically. This is uphill where we're gonna place our plant boxes, 3 more ones. So here's Jacob. What we did was, it looks pretty much like this before. It's a little bit flat, and don't worry about those are my neighbors. This one was pretty steep before, so what we did was we just created a hole here, and we're trying to make a plateau. So now Jacob is trying to flatten out the whole thing so we could layer our plant boxes there. These are the soils that we're going to be using. It's just a mixture of regular planting soil, vegetable soil, and something that has fertilizer in it. And we purchased a few more plant boxes also, but this one is wider. It's 120 by 80, and it will look like this, and we need to assemble it ourselves. It's also from the same place called Plantagen. So this is Jacob working on our, yeah. How's it going?
It's going good. I've earned my beer today.
So one of the main reasons why we're building this garden was because we started with a small project, and I don't know, it ended up suddenly we're building a whole garden in our back. And I've never done this before, but we've basically gotten very good advice from his parents. His parents have a very beautiful garden in their backyard, and yeah, so they're giving us a lot of tips and stuff, and we're managing our expectations because we're not sure if it's gonna succeed. We're basically planting seeds and flowers or plants that are meant to be harvested after summer. I hope that we can start planting today. It's almost done actually. Jacob has done a lot of good work, and I'm really excited. Hey, there's another yet thing. There's an insect that is like hated here, and we think, there it is. I don't know if you see it. Oh my god. And it's building like a little bit of a nest under here, so we need to destroy that insect. So there you go. This is how you, this is just that. And of course Alexi is over there. He is hanging out with us today. Looks pretty good. So this is what he has finished, and I actually tried helping him yesterday. It didn't go so well. It was super hard. It's actually a hard soil, plus it had a lot of rocks underneath. So yeah, that's how it looks like right now. It looks pretty damn good. We've set up one, and with what we've dug today, it's basically just enough for two, so it means we need to dig a little bit longer. And also the issue with our hill is that it's way too slanted or steep, that we need to dig so much more to create that plateau to put our boxes in. I'm not sure what time we will continue tomorrow, but definitely we will. I need to plant, and also, oh my gosh, it's gonna rain tomorrow, but we shall see. Either way, I'm still gonna be filming, so see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so today is day 2 of our fixing in the backyard, and basically we have done quite some progress, and we've taken a pause for a couple of days just because it has been raining. The weather hasn't been so nice, and so we decided to continue today and a little bit yesterday. I didn't film though because it was quite late, but today I'm gonna just show you what we've achieved. So I finished in Swedish it's called markbäv. It's like the fabric that you put under on the bottom part of the planting box, so you know, just random grass wouldn't grow, and to prevent it from insects, snails and stuff like that, and to keep your soil healthy. But you know, the water goes through, so it's totally perfect. You put a little bit on the bottom, and I sealed them with just random thumbtacks. So now it's ready to fill with soil. everyone, so today I am here at Plantagen. We're going to be buying a few stuff for our garden project at home. It's so nice inside. It's so many flowers, seeds, trees, everything that you can think of. And we've been to a few Plantagens before. This is the first time we're going to be in this specific branch, just because this is a little bit farther away, but it's less crowded and it's actually bigger than the ones closer to us. So I'm going to take you with me as I go around, so you'll see also how the place looks like. So I'm here at the store. I'm gonna be a little sneaky. I'm not sure actually if you're allowed to film in here, but we're gonna try anyway. So we like this store a lot because it's so beautiful. This is where we get all our seeds. These are basically the ones that you can plant. So there's like tomatoes, beans. Oh, this is a flower shelf, and these are salads. Here it says vegetables. So you can see like what type of price group depending on the letters stated there. So for example, this one is a letter, you can see here, it's a letter D. So that one would be 39.90 crowns. And this one is a letter C, so that one is 29.90 crowns. It's like basically you can get everything here. These are spices, so the price range is the same. Yeah, I think the green one is good. So it becomes like this. This is 99, 79, 49. Yeah? $49.90 each. Yeah? Also, yeah? The grass clipper.
Yes, we do. Take it. Show me how to do it.
Hey everyone, so today we have just come home from our trip to the store where we usually buy our stuff for the plant. So we've planted everything that we've purchased, like the seeds that we have. I'm gonna show you how our whole setup looks like. It's not yet completely finished. We're thinking of planting berry bushes so we could like pluck it out when it's ripe, and we haven't really decided exactly what we wanted. Maybe plant some grass seeds, but I don't know, we shall see. So basically that's it. It's all set up outside. My potatoes have grown so much. I also planted like sunflowers on these two and Thai basilica on those three. They're actually growing a little bit now. I'm not sure if you actually see, but those are tiny little seeds over there that's growing little leaves. So this is how they look like now. I have 5 rows in every plant box. And this is one of the things that we purchased today. This is like a metal border, so when I'm placing my net or a fiber cloth on top, it has a support. So this is basically the bigger plant box because we've planted carrots and radishes in there, and also we've planted soya beans, so it becomes edamame. Here I've planted Thai basilica, oregano, persilla, 2 layers, and spring onions. And then here I have sugar snaps, salad, dill, onions, spring onions also, I think another version, and also sugar snaps. That's all we have set up for now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to show you also how it will look after the whole setup is finished. If we are ever going to be fixing berry bushes, I'm not sure if they're ever going to grow in time this summer. I'm not sure, but I hope so, because if we're going to go for them, either we buy like a bigger like bush already that we that's already pre-planted, or we're gonna grow it from seeds. I'm not sure. Otherwise, that's it for today, and that's it for now. So basically it has gone a few days after we have started planting our seeds in our plant boxes, and we've actually gone to the store also a couple of times to make sure that we buy more seeds, the ones that we wanted. Also cultivated a few things here at home just because I want to see if I can grow something here, like just, you know, a little bit of spices. And I just put them in a saw box like this. So on this side, it's basically all on this side is basically arugula, a few rosemary boxes, and here is all basilica. Outside, we've basically put fiber cloths on top of our plant boxes just to keep in the moisture. We wanted to make sure that all the plants would grow faster and better because here it's so warm and the soil gets dry so fast. I put some of the pots over there. My potatoes has also grown a lot, and I'm actually gonna go and show you how they look like now. So these are my potato boxes, and these are just a few of the flowers that I've purchased. Sunflower and Thai basil. And here are also potatoes. A while ago when Jacob looked into one of the plant boxes, apparently the radish has started to grow. We need to pull some of them though because we planted them a little bit too close to each other. So for them to grow properly, you need to weed out a little bit to put a little bit more space in between them. Now we're little homegrown farmers here, so it's pretty exciting to see the updates from time to time. Yeah, this is it for now. Thank you so much if you reached the end of this video. I hope that you like our little planting situation, and if you do, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more updates from our little backyard. And yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you on my next one. Bye!